Question 38 is about hemodialysis. In the machine, okay, takes out the salt and urea and other waste from the body. So as Y, there is less salt and less urea. And about the useful material, they just diffuses in and out in the system, okay? So maybe higher or maybe lower, okay? So look at the question. Option A to D, which one is correct? First, useful substances are diffused in and out, and it does not absorb all the salt, and less urea should be found at Y instead of X. And glucose is the useful substance, so it just diffuses into and out of the blood during the hemodialysis. So the answer is D.